When it comes to the ultimate architectural beam, there is little that can compete with the cutting-edge design of Lifespan. The innovation behind Eva-Last's environmentally friendly Lifespan range combines market-leading composite materials with lightweight aluminium components to create incredibly versatile architectural profiles to complement any space. With opportunities to create eco-friendly pergolas, screening, railing, and other decorative architectural showpieces, Lifespan offers design versatility and improved span capabilities thanks to its specialized composition. The lightweight aluminium core eliminates the need for reinforcement and makes Lifespan easy to install at height. The outer coating of low-maintenance bamboo composite resists biodegradation, corrosion, insects, and harsh weather, and offers built-in UV protection for beautiful durability. With a 10-year warranty, you can enjoy the look of timber beams without any of the upkeep for years to come. Lifespan, the ultimate architectural beam.